Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from Kroger. We have not been here in a long while. So you guys, the reason I am back up in Kroger and will probably be up in Kroger on a pretty frequent basis now is because I have been grocery shopping more than I have ever grocery shopped in my life the past couple weeks. I have a 13-year-old son. He is going to the 8th grade. He is going through that teenage boy growth spurt. Y'all, I have been buying groceries like nobody's business. And y'all know that couponing for groceries is a special skill. So what I want to do is start taking you guys along with me so that we can get these grocery deals together, because y'all may be going through the same thing, needing to keep these refrigerators full for these kids. So I'm going to take you guys with me, and I think that Kroger is a great place to get that done because they have a lot of digital coupon offers. So without further ado, let's not waste any time. Let's get into these deals. I also forgot to mention that I'm trying to complete my Ibotta rebate today, my bonus, that is my midweek bonus. So I have 7 more offers that I need to get because I've already started working on it to get $5. The first item I'm gonna grab is actually gonna count for 2 Ibotta rebates. So I have an any offer for oat milk, and I also have $2 back on Chobani oat milk. These are on sale for $3.50 each. I'm gonna be using this $1 manufacturer coupon. That's gonna bring it down to $2.50, and then I'm gonna get $2.10 back from Ibotta. That's gonna make this just 40 cents. My store has a lot of oatmeal on clearance. I'm gonna be grabbing some of these Better Oats. These are organic. They're regular $4.79. They're on closeout for just $1.20. This is an easy breakfast item, so we're definitely gonna pick up one of these. They also have a lot of individual oatmeal on clearance as well, which is a great item for kids to just grab and go. I'm gonna grab some of these honey and almond that were regular $1.29 for just 32 cents each, but they have a lot of different varieties that are on clearance, so be on the lookout. The next thing we're gonna grab is this deal on the Clorox bleach. Swagbucks has a 500-point offer on Swagbucks right now for these. That is $5 in cash back on 2. And we also have 50-cent printable coupons on the Clorox website. So I'm actually gonna pick up a total of 2 of these. Let me show you the breakdown. All right, you guys, so 2 of these would total us up to $6.38. Swagbucks is gonna give us back $5. That would make them just $1.38. But we also have $1.10 in manufacturer coupons. That is gonna make both of these just 28 cents or 14 cents each. And since the Swagbucks deal does have a limit of 2, I think I'm actually gonna grab another 2 of these so that I can get back $10 total. Even though I don't have any additional coupons, I still think $1.38 is a great price. And I'm probably going to purchase these on a separate receipt so that my Swagbucks receipt doesn't have too much going on, and just get that $10 back clean. The next item I'm going to grab is this Airwick double oil warmer. These are $3.49. So I have a coupons app offer for $3.99 in cash back. So I'm going to pay $3.49 and then get back $3.99, making this completely free and a 50-cent moneymaker. The next item we're gonna grab is some Ruffles. So these bags that are normally $5.59 are on sale with the digital coupon for $1.77. My son is a major snacker, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of these for $1.77. The next thing I'm gonna grab is some of these Ortega items. So my store has had this hang tag up for a while. That is $1 off of 2 products. And these products are on sale 3 for $5 this week. So they're gonna ring out $1.67 each. So we're gonna buy 2, and we're gonna use this $1 off of 2 coupon. That's gonna make them $1.17 each. So I'm gonna get some of the taco shells here, and we're also going to grab some of the taco sauce. This next item I'm gonna try just because I need to complete my Ibotta rebate today. This Hellmann's is on sale for $3.79. I'm gonna try this chili honey sauce. So these are $3.79. I printed off a 75-cent coupon from the Hellmann's email list. We also have $1 back on Fetch Rewards, and we also have $1 back on Ibotta. So that'll make the final cost just $1.04. The next thing I'm gonna grab is one of these Carb Master breads. So I have a digital coupon for a free Kroger brand bread that's probably an exclusive coupon. Now that coupon will take off for the cheaper Kroger bread that's like $1, but it'll also work for the more expensive Card Master bread that I prefer. So these are on sale for $4.49 this week, and they are included in that free coupon. So we're gonna grab one of these breads that are $4.49 for completely free. The next item we're gonna grab, you wanna be careful with the expiration dates on this because my expiration dates for the Kroger cashback offer does expire today. So with these bars, they're $1.99 after the 50-cent Kroger digital coupon. Then Ibotta has an 80-cent cashback offer, and Kroger cashback, which is very similar to Ibotta, also has an 80-cent cashback offer. So after that, these are going to be just 39 cents each with a limit of 5. Next up, we're going to grab some cheap meat. So we're going to get a total of 4 packs of meat today. We're going to get 2 packs of this honeysuckle ground turkey. It's on sale 2 for $7. And we're also going to get 2 packs of this Kroger ground beef. So it is just $2.47 after the digital coupon, and these are so handy for making a variety of meals: chili, spaghetti, hamburgers, nachos, tacos, all of that. So we're definitely going to get stocked up today. The Snickies is the next item on my list. This yogurt is on sale for $1.25 each. We do have $1 back on Ibotta, making it just a quarter. The next thing we're grabbing is some Luigi's Italian Ice. So these are on sale 2 for $7, a great item for the kids to have this summer. So they're 2 for $7. Ibotta is going to give us back $1.25 each. And we also have $1 manufacturer coupons. That's going to bring them down to just $1.25 a piece. Next up, I'm grabbing some frozen Kind bars. So these are $5.19 each. I'm going to be submitting back to Ibotta for $4. That's going to make this just $1.19. Next thing we're going to grab is a money maker on the Colgate toothbrushes. So we're going to grab these Colgate toothbrushes that are down here 2 for $3. We do have $1 digital coupon that is going to make this just 50 cents at the register. Then I'm going to submit back to Fetch Rewards for $2 in cash back. That's going to make this $1.50 moneymaker. I wasn't able to film over by the orange juice, but the orange juice is a great deal this week. These are $2.27. We got a $1 Kroger digital coupon that makes these only $1.27 each. All right, you guys, so this is everything that I'm grabbing in today's haul. I really only have like a handful of paper coupons that we're going to be using. Most of our savings are going to come from digital coupons and the rebates that we are going to get. So I'm going to go up to self-checkout. I'm going to do 2 separate transactions because, like I said, with Swagbucks, I like to keep that receipt clean with just those items to ensure I get my money back instantly. So that's what we're going to do with that one. So let's go check out at self-checkout. So my total for my first transaction, this is everything that we're getting except for the Clorox, is $91. After I apply my Kroger savings and all of those digitals come off, as you can see, it drops to around $50. And then we're going to scan in those paper coupons. Then I'm going to do my second transaction with the bleach only. So now let me show you a close-up of my receipts. Everything came off perfectly at the register except for the Ortega coupon. That coupon did beep, but they could see from the products that I bought, and because they have the coupon in the store, they just went on ahead and manually entered that, but everything else came off automatically. So my subtotal for my first transaction was $49.14. My subtotal for my second transaction was $11.66. There is a final breakdown of everything that I got and how much it worked out to be. So my total before any savings would have been $104.30 for these items. Both of my transactions, the subtotals after my coupons and savings were applied, was $60.80. Then from rebates, I got back $18 from Ibotta. I did hit my midweek moneymaker bonus. I got back $10 from Swagbucks, and I did get that back instantly. Praise the Lord. And with my Swagbucks receipts, I take a picture of the receipt, I crop out everything that is not the receipt, and then I just upload that picture to make sure that my Swagbucks always works correctly, and that typically works for me. So $10 back from Swagbucks. I got back $3.99 back from the coupons app. I got back $3.11 from Fetch Rewards, and I'm also getting back $2.40 from Kroger Cashback. So the total amount that we're getting back from this shopping trip is $37.50. So our final cost paid was $60.80, but we're getting back $37.50. That makes my final total for all of these items, including 4 packs of meat. We got ice cream, we got potato chips, we got orange juice, some real items that I can make some real meals with and my son can snack on. Only $23.30. That is a 77% savings on our grocery haul today. So let me know if you have any questions about today's trip. Let me know if you enjoy these types of hauls and going to get some savings on some food and some grocery items this summer. I thank you all so much for watching today's video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. I thank you all once again, and as always, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.